Dude, I'm in a combat mode right now. I need to like figure this out, you know. Because in an hour we need to get this done. Because we're paying for the carousel to go around. So we have 1 hour to do the whole thing. Yeah, so you're sideways. You might split the difference. See if you
Your
want.
attention please, Northwest Airlines safety arriving Detroit passenger Jennifer Klein.
You want me to walk
Jennifer
faster?
Klein, please return
No,
to
it's
gate
fine.
26 for a lost article.
Well, you can
Jennifer
speed up just a
Klein.
touch if you want.
Gate number 26
without
for
running
a
you
lost
over.
article.
Basically, we're following the bacteria from all the way over there by the claim. This guy gets us next, and then we go to the third ship promenade.
This is what we don't want, right?
So this film, Sneeze, deals with the way the flu virus spreads throughout a city. It follows different people who are carrying it, who are getting sick, and you see how it spreads.
It's right here. And it's going to be very nice, single shots. It's going to be smooth. Nice.